Hi, so this is Admin Jez from The Modified Mama. This has not been rehearsed, so it's going to be probably not the best video. I've been putting off making it for several months now, but here I am. I don't know what kind of videos I'm going to make for you, but probably some hair coloring videos, um, maybe a makeup tutorial here and there, probably some shirt deconstruction and some reconstruction, not any start to finish real sewing projects because I can't make anything from scratch, but I can take a shirt or shorts or pants and slice them up and make pretty much anything out of them. So there's that. A little about me: I have 3 kids, an awesome biker husband, and I'm a stay-at-home mom right now, so I have lots of time to do these kinds of things. If you have any questions, feel free to ask on our YouTube channel or on The Modified Mama on Facebook. You can always email us at themodifiedmama@gmail.com. Thanks, and I hope to see some questions, and hopefully you will see more of me soon. Bye.